made it deliberate from the first day that we are going to meet government officials when opportunities allow. We are going to meet members of the civil society, and if opportunities allow, we are also going to meet members of the opposition. And this is still the plan. And by tomorrow, I think we will be able to say clearly whom we will have met, and then you can get more information depending on who we have met. Regarding the issue of the people who are being persecuted for human rights, actually we had a discussion of this this afternoon, trying to understand the other issue is that it's either you have to define your course of action based on what you read in the newspapers, or you want to find out from facts what exactly is going on. And as Zimbabwe Council of Churches, this is the resolution that we took. Before we take any action, any advocacy action, we want to know the facts, what is going on. We cannot just rely on what we have read in the newspapers that someone is being persecuted. And if there are cases like this, we think we have to explore them and find out the facts of the matter, and then we are going to define our action based on that.